Welcome back to Body Beautiful. We are talking about our lust for lashes with Dr. Lee.
Love that line.
First, let me remind you that we'll be taking your calls live with any questions you have for Dr. Lee. The phone number 800-440-4884. We'll also be posting the number for her office during and at the end of the segment. Remember, any advice we give you today, you want to consult your own physician as well. Let's just jump into the calls because people have been waiting for a while.
Absolutely, please.
Linda from Pittsburgh, do you have a question for Dr. Lee?
Yeah. I want to get my eyeliner, the tattooed eyeliner done on my eyes, and I want to find out would that Latisse would that affect anything on the eye?
You can absolutely do Latisse and have permanent makeup done. I would suggest that you do the permanent makeup and you let everything heal before you start using Latisse, but they absolutely will work together.
Okay, that's just one of the things that we're doing to ourselves. We got permanent eyeliner. Permanent eyeliner,
which is essentially tattooing. Right. And we put permanent lipstick on, and we do permanent eyebrows. And so painting a little Latisse on is nothing compared to some of the other stuff that we're willing to do on our faces.
Painful. I know they, in the autopsy of Michael Jackson, they found that he had tattoos around pink around his lips and his eyes. So,
I'll trust you on that one. I'm not going to independently agree, but I wouldn't be surprised.
Okay, Linda, hopefully that answered your question. Yes, you can do both, but
let yourself heal from the tattooing, from the permanent makeup before you start using Latisse.
All right, let's move on to Tammy from San Leandro. Good morning, Tammy.
Good morning.
Do you have a question for Dr. Lee?
I do. She had mentioned if you have brown eyes, she'll change the pigment of the brown. I have hazel eyes, and I was wondering what changes there would be to the hazel, because I don't want to lose the color of my eyes.
Right, and it is probably your color eyes that can change, but I want to reiterate that it's a very unusual finding, and that as long as the Latisse is not going in your eye, which it shouldn't be, it should just be getting painted on the lash margin, you should be fine.
Okay. Tammy? Does that work for you? I put it on without any reservation because I do have brown eyes, and so don't run the risk. And you say you have.
My eyes are blue. I know they're blue because my parents both have blue eyes. So they're greenish color, but they're basically genetically blue. Whereas some eyes can be kind of green and hazel, as Tammy said, and they're actually genetically brown. So they're not going to turn your blue eyes brown. But if you have very light brown eyes, then they can get darker. But again, it's a very unusual finding, and it was found not with using this medication as Latisse, but with using it as a drop instilled in the eye to treat glaucoma.
Okay. Now, can it replace mascara? Because it's kind of, tiring to use that stuff.
I believe it can. I believe it can. You always have the ability to add the mascara on top, but certainly, as you saw in the picture from the little clip that you did, I don't wear mascara on a regular day to work. Although it's really fun when I put the mascara on that I get to kind of put that brush all the way out there, but it can replace mascara, I think.
Let's try to get in another phone call. Can we take Tara from Santa Clara? Good morning, Tara.
Good morning.
You have a question for Dr. Lee?
Yes, I was wondering, Dr. Lee, is it safe to use during pregnancy?
That is an excellent question, and the answer is probably yes, but it's not recommended. It is a prostaglandin. Prostaglandins are known to be a method of inducing labor, and so it is not something that we recommend during pregnancy at all.
So mascara is okay during pregnancy?
Mascara is okay during pregnancy.
Once the baby's born and you want to spruce
yourself
up?
out.
Okay.
Right.
All right.
Right.
Tara, hopefully that answered your question.
And I did want to tell you about a special that we're offering today, and we have limited numbers of these. So if anybody's interested in trying, today's the day to call, where it's buy two, get one free. So
just for our Body Beautiful viewers.
That's right, for people calling in from Body Beautiful.
Or their friends, and they
they're friends too, right? Get all your friends on the phone. That's fine. But it's a special that we're offering today because we're doing the show.
Okay, and also this is fairly affordable. I mean, we're not talking about
Thousands of dollars, no. And when you consider what eyelash extensions cost, in my experience, they're $250, a treatment, and I'm sure in LA they're even more than that. What we're talking about here is spending about a couple $100 on the package that we're giving you, and that will last you, the company says, a good 3 months. In my experience, it lasts longer.
All right. That's the offer. For more information about Dr. Lee, call her directly, 510-704-2170, or check her out on the web at artfulsurgery.com. When we come back on Body Beautiful, we'll continue our chat about our lust for lashes. We'll also be taking your phone calls.